Hi, welcome to my channel. Today we're gonna be unboxing a koala crate and I'm excited to open this. I know my 4-year-old, she's almost 4, is very excited to open it as well. So if you are new to my channel, I created this channel as a homeschooling resource to do unboxings like we're doing today, to give you organizational and curriculum ideas and also ways to invite Christ into your homeschool space. So if you're interested in those things, please hit that subscribe button and let's open this crate. Okay, so the crate this month is bugs, which I don't like bugs, but that's okay. It still could be fun. It says make your own bug costume, ladybug pouch, and bug matching game. So I feel like this is the 5th month, maybe 4th month we've gotten this crate, and they all follow a similar type theme. They've had a lot of like dress up type things. They usually have a craft more type thing instead of a dress up, and then also a game. So they kind of all follow that same idea, I feel like. So when we open it up, that's what it looks like. So we have our little booklet on top that's gonna give us some other activities for bugs or some different stories. I think this one you're finding the different colors of butterflies, and then they might have a food item. They usually do, or at least have some sort of activity. Oh, this one's fun. This is the butterflies with the coffee filters, I believe. So those are always cool to do. And then we have our little instructions that fold out like so. And looks like our costume right here. So that looks pretty cute. And we have, this might be for our ladybug. Is that one of the things we're doing? I can never remember. So we have all the little pieces right here for that, I think. And then this looks like it is for our butterfly. On the front here, you can see some of those decorations. So they're just big like felt stickers that they just pull off the back, which these are nice. I feel like they're pretty easy for young children to use. And then, I don't know what this is. It looks like some sort of glove, but it has some holes right here. So maybe they're gonna sew something around that. And then we have a headband and, oh, these are our wings. It looks like they're Velcro right here. So we have some Velcro wings. That's pretty cool. And then these must be part of our game. I'm not sure what's on all of them, so we'll have to check that one out. And then this is a little mushroom. It looks like a magnifying glass kaleidoscope type thing inside there. So it'll be fun to see what we get to use that for. And that's what's in this crate. So I'm excited to let my daughter get at it, and we will let you know how it goes. Finished doing her koala crate. I'm like, have so many crates in my head, I don't know which one she was working on. And it was fun. Did you have fun? We made bug things, and she came down the stairs and her older sister was like, wait, it's about bugs? And Lydia's like, yes, just not real bugs, just toy bugs. So she would have been really surprised if we opened her crate and there were real bugs in there. But the first thing she made is this little bug here. I don't even know what it's supposed to be. Let's see what it is. What is this one supposed to be? Just bug dress up. So I don't really know. You can make it whatever bug you wanted. So I helped her put the little pipe cleaner on here, but then she did, these are just stickers that stick together. And then she has the wings on. So if you can see them, and we'll have some video of her flying around in them. But she did a really good job matching them up. She did one side and then she did the other, because in this book it talks about how in nature a lot of animals they have symmetry. They're very symmetrical. And so it talks about that you could make it like that. You don't have to. She's made another dress up recently that she did not. I think it was a butterfly. And she was like, no, I don't care. And she just did them however. But this one, she was very meticulous about it. And she did one side and then she did the other, making sure that everything matched. So she did a good job. Are you trying to fly with them? And then the next thing she made, do you want to hold it up? It's a little ladybug pouch. And so she got to decorate it. These are, again, just stickers, which are super easy for the kids to use. I feel like for young kids, they just have easy stickers on the back. And then it has this little, it looks like a button, but it's made out of foam. And so you can pull it and open the little bag. And then what's inside, Liddy? Can you hold that up?
A mushroom.
A mushroom. Okay, so it's a mushroom and you can look through it. She's still trying to figure it out. We've tried to show her, but she's having a hard time. And then she'll just close both eyes when we try to tell her to close one. But it's supposed to let you look at the world like a bug does, because we just have one lens and they look through multiple. And so when you look through it, it's like a bug. Like, I guess I'm not a bug, but I assume it's like a bug, or like pictures you've seen of how bugs can see the world. That's what it's like. So that was fun. And then you can put the little kaleidoscope thing back in there, and then you just pull this and it tightens it back up. So I thought that was a pretty cool idea. And then what's the last thing? You gonna hold those up? So these are a bunch of cards. So this is a matching game, just like any other matching game. You just lay them out. Some of these are the wrong way, but you lay them this way on the table, and then you're flipping them over. So like these two matches dragonflies, or there's ants. So you're looking for all the matches. So it's just a fun matching game. And this she was able to do by herself. So, which is what the instructions kind of show, is that one that it needs very little parent help. And this wasn't messy at all. It shows no messiness right here. So none of these activities were messy. And then the other two, it says a medium grown-up involvement, which I think is pretty accurate, because with this one, again, the sewing is pretty hard for her. And so she was able to put the string through this button, but I helped her a little bit with the sewing, and then I tied the knot at the end. And then with this bug costume, she was able to do almost all of it by herself. She did this all by herself. The only thing I did was a pipe cleaner. So
I did this, guys.
Yeah, you did put the stickers on the top. Yeah. And so we had a lot of fun doing this, and then she can fly around now and pretend to be a bug. Huh, yep. And so I'm excited to see what next month's theme is and the different activities and crafts that they provide for us. So if you enjoy seeing these kind of videos, please give us a thumbs up, and we will see you next time.